Want to turn Active Noise Cancelling ANC on or off on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, but not sure where to find the setting? Don't worry, here's how to use ANC properly. There are 3 ways, and the easiest way is directly from the earbuds. Each earbud has a small touch sensor. While wearing the buds, simply press and hold the sensor. This will switch between active noise cancellation and noise control modes. Press and hold again to toggle the mode. If you're using a Samsung phone, there's a quick shortcut. Press a volume button, then tap and hold the volume slider on your screen. This opens a quick panel where you can instantly switch between ANC, ambient sound, or off. To get the best experience, try these built-in features. Adaptive Noise Control automatically adjusts ANC based on your environment. Voice Detect switches to ambient mode when you start speaking. Siren Detect turns on ambient sound when an emergency siren is detected. And that's how you can control active noise cancellation on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro.